What of it? Yes. Yung closing prayer po natin, invite na lang po natin si Brother Jeff Grospedal na nakarami ka daw ngayon. And kasama na rin po yung blessing of the food po. Thank you.
May question po ako. Ano po yung flavor ng pizza? Thank you, attorneys, for your service dito sa Legal Service. Following the words of J. Ruben Clark, sabi niya, it is not in the service of the Lord, it is not where, but it is how you serve. We're grateful for your service, brothers and sisters, and for those who have attended sa mga malalayong lugar, Pilar, yung sa Dinali pa, dinali tayo, Dilinggayen, pa rin. We're grateful for your attendance. And hindi ko na po patatagalin. Salamat po at salamat po sa pag-attend. I know these things are true and I leave these things in Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen.